Bismillah. OTC started here. Uptrend. This is reversal candle, but previous candle have strong buying pressure and this candle have lower rejection. That's why I took here higher option. According to this present momentum, I took here higher option. Previously here I see strong seller, but now here weak seller, not a strong seller. Here it's a strong seller. That's why I took here higher option, and present condition I see some rejection from here. And if you observe, so I wanna change another pair. So this is my first trade. Today is OTC. Okay, and here this market there is some buyer here. Okay, let's do it. I cannot trade here directly because this level also buyer area, kind of buyer area. Okay, now I can take a lot option. In OTC have always good momentum. That's why I took like to trade on OTC, because OTC market give us a lot of opportunities, and always OTC have good trend, good momentum. Maximum of the time OTC have a good volume and good momentum. Maybe I lost this trade. Okay, now I can trade here lot option confidently, because previous momentum is bearish momentum, and actually this one level here, actually this one level, and this rejection from seller. After this momentum, after this candle, market should go down, but market give us one green candle, because many time market make this type of fake signal, binary and normal market too, no problem, but always analysis market. This candle form because of this rejection, but after this rejection we cannot see any strong bullish candle. That's mean market didn't reverse again, market must continue. That's why I take a lot option. So loss are common. So it's downtrend. I will trade when I have confidence, otherwise not. So you can draw here your trend line like this, but here have still gap. Just wait, strong selling pressure in this area. And OTC market, one secret is maximum of the time OTC market respect the round number. So our round number is, okay, just wait, okay, this round number, in this round number no rejection. If you observe this market, actually strong selling pressure. Just wait. I will got an opportunity if I wait here. If I doing wait some here, too strong selling pressure, again selling pressure, some buyer. So when market become a weaker, seller become weaker, this time we have got a opportunity, just wait. But now we cannot trade here confidently. Sometime we follow this momentum, but it's not a sure shot. We need to wait for right opportunity, just wait. This is round number. If candle form more than is strong these two candle, I can trade here higher option. So buyer try. Rejection from seller according to previous bearish momentum. So I can take here lower option, one trade according to this present momentum, and this is bullish candle, but here it's actually selling pressure. If you observe present market, so it's actually good opportunities. So it's better if you see this strong candle. Sometime you need to wait for good opportunities, because market give you always opportunity. Don't trade every candlestick, wait for right opportunities. When you have confidence, then you trade, otherwise not. And always see also present candlestick momentum, how it's move. And I win this trade. So no trade here. I wanna change here a would get. So here strong bullish momentum. Bullish momentum. If I lost, no problem, but it's better to go with third option. Okay, but candle close at the, oh, just wait. Okay, I can take a lot option, because market now at the level. Maybe I lost this trade because of this momentum. I don't like to level trading, because sometimes it's reverse, sometimes not reverse. But actually market should make one great candle here. Maybe I lost this trade because of my entry point. is not good. Okay, finally seller coming, but not a strong seller. Okay, okay, win this trade. It's actually risky. And if you see this type of momentum, sometimes it's break this level very easily, and sometimes you give one candlestick. Okay, it's better to wait for opportunities. This candle give us one red candle because of this level. Okay, so after this type of candle didn't go again lower option, cause previous momentum is too strong bullish momentum, so never go against the momentum. Sometime market give us one single candle because of this level, so it's better to wait for right opportunities. Okay, so actually this is down market, and these two candle are strong, and people think it's a evening star. So against the trend, only two candlestick, if you follow two candlestick, is not enough to make your decision. So after this candle we can trade one more trade here. So let's see, I have not confidence here. Just check how form this candle. So now I can take here. Okay, let's do it. Higher option, I can take here higher option because here trend is downtrend, no problem. Actually market try to change the direction. Here these two candle, according to this two candle, that's mean buyer are too strong, and in this candle seller try, but finally some rejection, also rejection from buyer, and our next seller area is here, and market go up but again market go down because of this bearish downtrend. No problem, but my analysis is correct, and check. No problem, so I win this trade. Always focused on present market and how it's formed. Okay, calculate market condition. So I took already 1 2 3 4 5 6 trade. I lost one trade, no problem. So USDC is a we have one opportunity maybe here. That is downtrend. Here I have not confidence now. I just wait for right opportunities. So here strong buyer entry, seller try, buyer try, but again selling pressure, again selling pressure. According to this situation market should go down, but I cannot trade here directly cause this is this doji have not proper body, but according to this situation market should go down. So actually we need rejection. Okay, now I can take here lower option, because here I observe the buyer are stronger, seller try, again buyer try, buyer fail, again huge selling pressure from seller. This is strong bull. If it's strong bullish candle, I can trade here higher option, but here some rejection from seller, and I follow this candle also after this area. Actually this area is selling seller area, and market selling pressure here. After this area I see again rejection from seller, that's why I take here lower option. So I already do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 trade. I lost one trade, so I want to finish this video here. And how I see market, just I explain. I think in this video you can learn many things. Okay, say here I am doing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 7 trade and one loss, so it's not a good bet, it's well. So if you have interest to learn binary and forex, then contact with me. I'll teach you everything like me. Many people they are doing good, but they are never teaching like good. They are never share their personal strategy. But I will teach you each and everything like me. Okay, thank you. So thank you for watching my video.